Welcome, Infinity Streamers. Today we're going to look at how to make your own custom stinger transition for your streams using nothing but free software, DaVinci Resolve and ffmpeg. The link to the installs for these products will be in the description below. Let's get to it and make this stinger transition. The first thing you're going to want to do when you get into your project is click on the gear icon down here and change your timeline frame rate to the frame rate you will be using. I'm going to use 60, and that's pretty standard. Next, we're going to head over to the Media tab, right-click, and add New Fusion Composition. Change the duration to the duration of your stinger. We're going to do 2 seconds here. I'm just going to name it Stinger. Right-click again, and import media, and import your logo. Next, head on over to the Fusion tab. On the Fusion tab, click on the Media pool, and double-click on your stinger. You should see media out up here. Next, we're going to bring in 2 backgrounds. On the first background, change it to the color you want your background to be. We're going to do red. On the second background, bring the alpha channel all the way down. Drag the output of background 1 onto the output of background 2 to get a merge node. Next, grab the fast noise. We're going to use this to create our effect mask. You can show and hide the inspector tab over here to change the settings. Go over to color, gradient, and change the gradient type to radio. Grab and drag your fast noise onto one of the image windows to see the effect mask. Here we have the start and the end of the effect mask. Grab your start and drag it into the middle, because that's where we want it to start. In the inspector, go ahead and grab the gradient and bring it up a little. Click on the second arrow and bring the alpha all the way down. Switch back to the noise tab and adjust the detail, contrast, and brightness to your liking. Next, set the seed rate. This is what will cause the effect of it changing over time. Go ahead and hit play and see how it looks. Once you have something that you like, go ahead and connect your fast noise into the effect mask of the merge node. Grab your merge node and drop it on to preview it. We want to make this effect grow and take up the full screen and then shrink back down. To do this, on frame 0, come over to the color tab and grab your endpoint and bring it down until it's nice and small. Click this button to create a keyframe here. Go to the frame that you want the effect to take the full screen and bring the endpoint all the way out till it takes the full screen. You can do that here or by grabbing the point. I'm just going to do it here. Grab it until it's full screen. Then go to the last frame and bring it back down again. You should now have something that looks like this. Next, go to your media pool and bring in your logo. Attach your media to the merge out. Bring your new merge over so you can preview it. That logo seems a bit big. Let's bring in a transform node. Drag and drop it right on top of the media in, and bring the size down. Preview it again, and you'll notice that the logo stays on the screen all the time. To fix that, we want to connect the output of the merge 1 into the effects mask of the merge 2. To add some more detail and make it pop, go ahead and click Shift and Space, and in your Select tool, search for Drop Shadow. Add your drop shadow. Connect the merge 2 into your drop shadow, and go ahead and preview it. Under the controls, we can adjust the strength of the shadow, the drop angle, and the drop distance. The blur will help blend the shadow. Go ahead and preview it again. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and connect the drop shadow to the media out. Head on over to the Edit tab. Grab and drop your stinger onto the track. Next, head over to the Deliver tab. Under the Deliver tab, choose Format, QuickTime, Codec, Uncompressed, type BGRA. Make sure you check Export Alpha Channel. Give it a name, and pick a location to save it in. Add to render queue, and hit Render All. Once it's done rendering, go ahead and open up Command Prompt and cd to the directory where you saved the render. Then enter this command. This command will be found in the description below. Change your input file name to the file name you saved your render as, and you can change your output file name as well. When you hit enter, it'll take a few seconds to convert, but it'll be a lot smaller. And be sure to subscribe so you can catch our video next week on how to make this matte transition. And join our Discord community. Link is down in the description. We got tech support, assets, friends, family. Really, it's a great community to join. Help you build your stream.